In this video, let's know how to get a free back cover from Micromax for in Note 1 or in 1B smartphones.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to our channel, Dr. Technosaurus NDL. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such kind of videos. I hope that you guys have seen the previous video of unboxing. If you have missed it, the link for the video would be in the iCard or in the description box below. As you can see that there is no back cover given in the box with the phone. Instead of back cover, there was a screen protector in the box. To resolve this issue, Micromax is now providing free back covers for their customers. For this, we must contact Micromax through WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number would come on the screen or I'll add it up in the description box. First, we must send a hi message as you can see on the screen. After that, the WhatsApp bot gives you several options. Now type the message as 0 for live chat or for connecting to Micromax Expert. Now send a message saying that you need a back cover for your Micromax smartphone and then share your order details with them. Then they will confirm and send you a message saying that your order would be reached within 7 days or something like that. I received the package within 7 days and this is how the packaging and stuffs are. This protective case is specially made for this particular phone and it has a perfect cuttings and outlets without any flaws. If we compare this back case to other back cases in the market, this is a perfect one. But other back cases in the market have some or the other flaws or problem of fitting on this phone. Either the speaker cutting would be not there, or the microphone would be covered, or the fingerprint cuttings would not be proper. So it is better to use the back cover which is given by Micromax. I hope that now you guys got the answer for this. Please like and share this video for those who don't know how to get free back cover from Micromax. Finally, meet you in next videos. Bye bye.